Pardon me while I drive, but this is about the only way I could get some footage of the Hoh Rain Forest in the Olympic National Park. I had gone on up to the visitor station. There was absolutely no parking at all, and it was raining like crazy, which is appropriate. This is a forest, it was raining, and well, there you go. Anyway, instead of taking a wad of photographs, I thought the video would be better. It's really something through here. Pardon the wobbly, but it is a little bumpy. The floor of the surrounding area is just covered with ferns and moss and similar types of growth. And goody, it's